Payday isn't just a date on the calendar, it's a decision. Every time money hits my account, I run the same 5-step play. It's simple, and it keeps me sane. Try it with me today. Number 1. Build the emergency fund. Before anything fun, I pay future me first. I tuck money into a separate boring savings account for sudden health expenses, job loss, a phone that dies at the worst time, life's classic plot twists. When emergencies show up, I want cash to handle it, not panic. Number 2. Save for future goals. I pick the things that actually matter: higher studies, children's education, that dream house. And I give each a home, a labeled account, or an investment bucket. Naming the goal makes it real. I'm not just saving money, I'm buying time and options for my future self. Number 3. Invest in my health. I treat my body like my best asset class. I stock the kitchen with quality, grass-fed eggs and dairy, organic veggies, whole foods. I keep my gym or yoga membership active because consistency beats intensity. Health spending isn't a luxury. It's compound interest on energy, focus, and years. Number 4. Fund my hobbies and downtime. I set aside money for an outing with friends or family, a sports club membership, weekend tennis, or yes, even Netflix for guilt-free chill time. Rest and play are productivity tools. When I plan them, they stop becoming oops expenses and start becoming rituals. Number 5. The spontaneous fund. I keep up to 10% for pure heart says yes moments. Last-minute road trip, a new book I'll actually read, a cooking class, a gift for someone I love. I cap it, I enjoy it, and I don't apologize for it. Quick recap: emergency fund, future goals, health, hobbies, spontaneous, same order. Every payday, it turns chaos into a ritual and makes money feel like a tool, not a tyrant. If you want, I can show you exactly how to calculate how much to put in each category, based on your income, EMI, rent, and how full your emergency fund is already. Comment breakdown if you want that deep dive next, and tell me your biggest money challenge right now. If this helped, save it and share it with someone who's due a paycheck this week. Your next payday can feel different, calm, intentional, and on purpose. See you in the comments.